Let's learn how to blur face in CapCut PC. First step first, make sure that your PC is working properly. Next step is to open CapCut and choose the project in which you want to blur face. When you get in the project, first step is to duplicate our video and add is as layer above our current video. Now, we need to choose Blur Effect, which you can find in the Effects section. You can either apply it above the video or drag and drop it to the video itself. After applying Blur Effect to the whole video, now we need to cut out just the face. You will do that by going to the Mask option in the right side of the screen. In this case, we will blur just face, so Circle Mask will do the job. After applying mask, now we need to make it to follow our face, which we can do just by doing keyframes. After keyframing the whole video, you will get blur on your face. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.